What if I told you that making $100 million isn't about luck, a groundbreaking idea, or even working harder than everyone else? What if the secret to massive wealth is simply about crafting an offer so good, people feel stupid saying no? That's exactly what we're diving into today. $100 million Offers by Alex Hormozi. This book isn't just about sales, it's about building irresistible offers that scale businesses to insane levels. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to create offers so powerful that customers beg to buy from you. Let's get started. Alex Hormozi breaks down a simple but deadly effective formula for crafting offers that turn strangers into buyers instantly. Here's the equation. Value equals dream outcome multiplied by perceived likelihood of achievement, divided by time delay, multiplied by effort and sacrifice. Let's break it down step by step. Every great offer starts with one thing, the customer's dream outcome. What do they really want? Not just the product or service, but the transformation. People don't buy weight loss programs, they buy a confident, attractive body. They don't buy financial courses, they buy freedom from their 9-to-5 job. They don't buy business coaching, they buy a 7-figure company and a luxury lifestyle. Your job? Make your offer about the dream, not the product. Even if your offer promises the dream, people still hesitate. Why? Because they doubt whether they can actually achieve it. Your job is to increase their perceived likelihood of success. Here's how. Use testimonials and case studies to prove others have achieved results. Offer guarantees to remove risk. Show data and statistics that back up your claims. Provide a step-by-step roadmap so they know what to do next. If your customer believes they'll succeed, they're way more likely to buy. Step 3. Reducing time delay. The longer it takes for your customer to get results, the less valuable your offer feels. People want instant gratification. That's why Amazon Prime exploded. Fast delivery equals more sales. So ask yourself, how can you speed up results? Offer a done-for-you service instead of DIY. Provide pre-built templates to skip unnecessary steps. Use instant access technology to remove waiting time. The faster your customers see results, the higher the perceived value of your offer. Step 4. Reducing effort and sacrifice. People will always choose the easier path. The more effort your customer needs to put in, the less valuable your offer becomes. So, how do you eliminate friction? Remove complexity. Make your offer so easy they can't fail. Offer premium support, coaching, onboarding, hand-holding. Break it into small, manageable steps so it feels effortless. Your goal? Make success feel automatic. If customers see zero resistance to achieving their dream outcome, they'll jump at the opportunity. Stacking bonuses and creating urgency. Now let's supercharge your offer. Adding bonuses makes your offer feel even more irresistible. Think of it like this. Selling a fitness program? Add a customized meal plan as a bonus. Selling a business course? Include one-on-one coaching. Selling a software subscription? Throw in a private community. And urgency? That's what gets people to act now instead of waiting. Use limited time discounts, fast action bonuses, exclusive access for the first few customers. If your customer feels like they'll miss out, they'll buy immediately. Final takeaways. So, what are the biggest lessons from $100 million offers? Sell the dream outcome, not just the product. Increase perceived likelihood of success through proof and guarantees. Reduce time delay. Deliver results faster. Eliminate effort and sacrifice. Make it easy for the customer. Stack bonuses and create urgency to drive action. This isn't just about making an offer, it's about making an offer so good people feel stupid saying no. If you apply these principles, your business will never be the same again. Now I want to hear from you. What's one thing you're going to change in your offers to make them more irresistible? Drop a comment below. And if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time, make offers that people can't refuse and build your empire.